Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Business Profile for local lead generation step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button to begin the registration process. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, enter your business name in the provided field. Choose your business category from the drop-down menu that best fits your services. Fill out the required information such as your business address. Ensure the address you enter is accurate to help customers find you easily. If you are a service area business, you can specify the areas you service instead of a physical address. Next, you'll have the option to enter your business phone number and website URL. Providing a phone number is crucial for customer inquiries. Once you've filled in all the information, click on Finish to proceed. You'll then be prompted to verify your business. Choose your preferred verification method, which may include a postcard, phone call, or email. If you select the postcard option, it will be mailed to the address you provided. This postcard contains a verification code necessary for completing your registration. When you receive the postcard, log back into your Google Business Profile account. Enter the verification code in the designated field to complete the verification process. After verification, you can enhance your profile by adding business hours, photos, and services offered. Take the time to write a compelling business description that highlights your unique offerings. Make sure to keep your profile updated with any changes to your business information. Regularly check your Google Business Profile for customer reviews and respond promptly. Utilize posts to share updates, offers, and events with your audience directly on your profile. This engagement helps improve your visibility in local search results. Monitor the insights provided by Google to understand how customers are interacting with your profile. Adjust your strategy based on this data for better local lead generation. With these steps complete, your Google Business Profile is now set up for local lead generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.